Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make a cute heart pink edit on CapCut. So first you're going to want to go to effects and go to body effects and choose the love eyes one. You can adjust the color, the size, the range, and also the speed. I'm just going to also adjust the duration. So you can adjust the color here. There's a lot to choose from, but I'm just going to choose the pink one. You can also adjust the size. Maybe it's a little bit too big. You can make it smaller, or you can even make it bigger. You can also change the range and the speed, but I think that's fine by me. And you can also add in some other effects. There's radiating love, heart projection. You can just find them in video effects. And yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!